Are you planning to start a car rental business and want to protect your personal assets while gaining credibility? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to form an LLC for your car rental business. Whether you're renting out luxury vehicles, economy cars, or offering specialty rentals, forming an LLC can provide significant benefits. Make sure to stay tuned until the end, because I'll reveal the cheapest business formation service that can help you form and set up your car rental business LLC for free today. Let's get started. Why form an LLC for a car rental business? Before we go through the steps, let's discuss why forming an LLC for your car rental business is a smart move. Reason 1: limited liability protection. An LLC provides limited liability protection, meaning your personal assets, like your home and savings, are generally protected if your business faces legal issues or debts. For instance, if a customer has an accident in one of your rental vehicles and sues your business, the LLC structure helps ensure that your personal finances remain separate and protected. Reason 2: credibility and professionalism. Forming an LLC can boost your business's credibility. It shows customers, partners, and insurance companies that you're serious and professional about your car rental services. This professional image can help attract more clients and secure better business deals and insurance rates. Reason 3: tax flexibility. LLCs offer tax flexibility. By default, an LLC is a pass-through entity, meaning the business income is reported on your personal tax return, avoiding double taxation. You can also choose to be taxed as an S-Corp or C-Corp if that better aligns with your financial strategy. Now, let's go through the steps to form your LLC for your Etsy business. Steps to form an LLC for your car rental business. Choose your business name. Select your state. Appoint a registered agent. File the articles of organization. Create an operating agreement. Obtain an EIN, employer identification number. Open a business bank account. Register for necessary licenses and permits. Step 1: choose your business name. Start by selecting a name that reflects your car rental services and brand. Use your state's business name search tool, usually available on the Secretary of State's website, to ensure your chosen name is unique and not already in use. Your LLC name should also include LLC or Limited Liability Company to indicate its legal structure. Step 2: select your state. It's generally best to form your LLC in the state where you operate your car rental business. This is particularly important if you have a physical location and are subject to local regulations, taxes, and insurance requirements. Forming your LLC in your home state avoids the complexity and additional costs of registering as a foreign entity in another state. Step 3: appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is required to receive legal documents and official notices on behalf of your LLC. The agent must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is registered and be available during business hours. You can be your own registered agent, appoint someone you trust, or hire a professional registered agent service. Using a service like Northwest Registered Agent is a good option as they provide privacy and ensure you don't miss any important documents. Check the description below for a discount link to Northwest Registered Agent. Step 4: file the Articles of Organization. The Articles of Organization is the document that officially forms your LLC. It includes important details like your business name, address, and registered agent information. You'll need to file this document with your state's Secretary of State and pay a filing fee, which typically ranges from $50 to $500. Filing can usually be done online or by mail, depending on your state's requirements. Check your state's business registration website for specific filing instructions and fees. Step 5: create an operating agreement. An operating agreement outlines how your LLC will be managed, including roles, responsibilities, and profit distribution among members. This document is essential even if your state does not require it, as it helps prevent conflicts and provides a clear structure for your business operations. While you can find templates online, it's often a good idea to consult with a legal professional to ensure your operating agreement meets all your business needs. Step 6: get an EIN, employer identification number. An EIN is needed for tax purposes, to open a business bank account, and to hire employees. You can apply for an EIN for free on the IRS website, and the process is straightforward. You'll receive your EIN immediately upon completion of the online application. Step 7. Open a business bank account. Opening a business bank account is crucial for keeping your personal and business finances separate. This separation is important for legal protection and helps simplify your bookkeeping and tax filing. To open a business bank account, you'll typically need your EIN, articles of organization, and operating agreement. Choose a bank that offers the services and support your business needs, and compare features like fees, online banking, and customer service. Step 8. Register for necessary licenses and permits. Operating a car rental business often requires specific licenses and permits, such as a general business license and, in some cases, a motor vehicle rental license. Check with your local and state government agencies to find out what is required for your car rental business. Additionally, you may need commercial insurance that covers your rental fleet, liability insurance, and other coverage specific to the car rental industry. This insurance protects your business against potential accidents, damages, and lawsuits. Conclusion: forming an LLC for your car rental business offers several benefits, including liability protection, tax flexibility, and enhanced credibility, helping you grow and manage your business more effectively. If you feel the process is daunting, you can hire a professional LLC formation service like Northwest Registered Agent to handle the paperwork for you. Keep watching as I show you how to form your LLC in under 3 minutes through Northwest. First, click the link in the description or go to startlc.co/Northwest to take advantage of the $39 LLC formation discount. Then, click on the Let's Get You Started button. Choose your business entity as LLC and select your preferred state. For example, if you choose Wyoming as your preferred state, you'll notice that there are 3 types of filing option fee based on number of days for processing. Standard processed in 7 days for $104. Expedited processed in 5 days for $139. Expedited 3 days, processed for $179. You can pick your preferred choice, but I would recommend the standard option to save formation costs. The Northwest Registered Agent costs $0, which saves you. The filing service fee is also free, saving you an extra $100. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Company Details tab. This is where you enter your new or existing business details, including your company, business name, address, and other relevant information. If unsure about your business purpose, simply toggle on the Use Generic Business Purpose. You can also use Northwest Registered Agents and mailing addresses as your business address, eliminating the need for a separate U.S. address. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Company Management tab. Enter the management information for your LLC, including the names and addresses of your managers and their roles in the company. If you are a single-member business, leave it at 1 member and enter your name. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Contact Details tab. Fill in your contact details, including your local address, phone number, and email. Then set up your account with Northwest Registered Agent using your email and preferred password. This will allow you to access their services and have access to your personal dashboard. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Business Identity tab, which is optional. It includes the following, which is free for 90 days. Domain name registration, 1 free year. Website, hosted by Northwest, owned by you. Business email address. Business phone. Personally, I wouldn't select this, but it's all up to you. Other optional items include Tax ID, S Corporation election with the IRS 50, Premium mail service, Trademark service. If you have an SSN for the tax ID, getting an EIN will cost you $50. However, if you don't have a Social Security number, SSN, Northwest can still get an EIN for your company from the IRS, which costs $200. To save costs and get your EIN faster, I would recommend getting your EIN for free by yourself by visiting the IRS website. I'll leave the IRS website link in the description for you. Finally, once you've completed the steps, you can check out and finalize your car rental business LLC formation. Congratulations! You've successfully formed your LLC. Click the first link in the description to get started with your LLC formation. If you found this process helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more business tips. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your car rental business.